It's January 15, 2011, and I'm working on making small test parts in order to figure out exactly the function of the relationship between the CAM software and CAM software and the machine controller, so that it behaves correctly. One of the challenges I've had are relating to the G2 and G3, getting the arc to go the correct direction given the profile shape, and I think I finally got it nailed down. I'll test run this part to demonstrate. Can't really tell yet, but this is cutting a 1/4 inch radius arc on the inside surface. It's a concave shape. Starting to take shape now. It does a roughing cut that leaves the cusp in place. And then the final pass, the finished cut, is what I was having problems with. And it appears as though I've resolved that now. Here's the finished cut. Chamfer. Straight section, there's the radius. There it is. Previously, the toolpath, instead of following up the radius this way, was actually getting to this point, and then it would take the original call was for a G2 with a 1/4 inch radius, and it would go this direction, come up to this point, and then finish here. So it would come up on the chamfer, run the straight line there, and then it would make the radius up here. Try to G3, it went like this up to that point. I tried to G3 with a negative radius, and it finally went up this direction. That's it. Finished part.